one of my favorite cookies. Damn, whenever I see these, my mouth waters. The crust of these cookies are a tad crunchy, but oh so soft and moist in the inside. You'll need 200 grams of marzipan, which you should pluck into small pieces. Add 100 gram powdered sugar and 1 egg. I needed the yolk somewhere else, so here you have 2 egg whites. And a few drops of almond extract. And knead it until all the ingredients are incorporated. The dough will be pretty sticky. Don't worry, that's how it's supposed to be. Now get an egg white and whisk that a bit and prepare a plate with 100 gram sliced almonds. To be able to shape these cookies, get your hands a bit wet. This way the dough won't stick to your palms and you can form them in any way you want. But as these are horns, I make a small snake out of the dough, spread some egg white onto the whole thing, roll it in the almond slices and carefully put them onto the baking paper. Now bake these almond treats in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes or until the almond slices start to get a soft brown color. The cookie itself doesn't take a lot of color, at least on the upper part. If you prepare them crispier, you can of course bake them longer, but I want to have the soft, moist core. It's just so good. You really need to try this. So this was day 20 of our advent calendar. As usual, the recipe is in the description below. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our next video. See you tomorrow for day number 21. Wow, we're almost at the end of this.